Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. So today I'm going to show you how to make my creamy coleslaw. And this salad is an easy one to use those edible flowers on. If you've watched my previous video, I show you how to make those. Now before we start into the recipe for making the coleslaw, just a reminder that my cookbook is available on Amazon, and I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. So we'll gather a few simple ingredients and we'll get started. Start with some nice fresh cabbage. Remove all the loose leaves on the outside and use a sharp knife to remove the stem and to cut the cabbage into smaller pieces, and to remove the core or the heart of the cabbage. The core and the heart of the cabbage tends to be a little bit bitter and doesn't do well in a coleslaw. There we go. Got rid of that, so we're okay to go ahead and start grating the cabbage. Yeah, I just use a simple grater like this. I don't have anything too fancy, but hey, that's the hardest part of making the whole salad, is just getting it grated. And also wash, peel, and grate some carrots. Okay, so what's the ratios of what you're going to use in this recipe? 2 cups of grated cabbage and a good full cup of grated carrots. And now for the dressing that's going to make all the difference. In a separate mixing bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of Miracle Whip. Add in about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Next, we'll add 3 teaspoons of white sugar. And then about 2 teaspoons of canola oil. And give it a good sprinkle of pepper. And also a good sprinkle of salt. Give this a good stir to mix all the ingredients together really well. Now we'll spoon that in on top of the grated cabbage and carrot. Mix that in until it's really well combined. This should be moist, but not sloppy. Now I'm going to take it a step further, of course, put it into a little fancier dish, and fancy it up with some of those edible roses that I made in the previous video. This is going to be really fun. Come on, why not, eh? I mean, you don't even have to wait for a special occasion to do this if you want to. We can have fun with this anytime. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please text a rose in the comment section. I love flowers of all kinds, but roses are my favorite. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, have some fun and happy eating.